Hello friends, have you ever imagined that you can create your own e-commerce website, that too in 2 minutes? But yes, now you can do it. It seems to be magical, but believe me, you can do it. Let's see how you can create your own online store. It's very simple. You just need to go to the Play Store. From there, in the search section, you have to mention e-commerce website. Search for it. You'll get the third option, that is e-commerce website more customers app. You need to install it. As I've already installed it, so I just need to open the application. As I'm a new signer, so I just need to sign up for it. And here I need to mention the mobile number which I want to register for. I need to put a password for it. And here I need to mention the email ID which I want to register for. I need to mention my business name, like whatever business I am holding, what is the name of it, and the business type, like what business I am doing for. So now let's create the website. You will be receiving an OTP on your registered number. You just have to mention it here. Verify it. Now here your website is being creating. The domain, the site logo, the site cover images, and the category and subcategory for your website. Congratulations, your 21-day free trial is activated. Let's start with the This is the dashboard of your application from where you can regulate the website. Here in the down section, you can see add logo, add cover photos, add business information, add products, and add post. These things you can do with the application itself, and the changes you can see on your website. This is the dashboard section, and this is the menu where, as you can see, I am having the second option, that is products. Now here I will show you how you can add your product in the application, which will be directly seen on your website. We need to add it from here. Pick from your gallery if you have already created some picture. Select it. Here the picture is being uploaded. I need to select a category for it. So I will just go with the ethnic wear. Here I'll write the product name, whichever I find it suitable. I'll put the price here. If I want to put some discount, so I'll mention it here. In product description, if I want to write something about the product, so that I can do it. I need to save it. Here you can see the product has been updated successfully. Okay friends, so this was the uploading of the product. Here you can upload as many as products you want. This will be a website. This is the link we given above, riyastores.moreapp.in. This is how your website looks like. Riya Stores. Here is the product which you have uploaded. And here you can see at the end more customers app. Hope you liked the video and found it useful for you. More there to come. Thank you friends. Stay tuned.